well, over there it'll be great. This is actually perfect in my opinion for spearfishing. That back there might be a little too clear, but it'll still be fine. And we'll still be good. I'm excited. Just got to get the boat set up to where we want. I'm not scared if it drifts just out into the mouth of this cove a little bit. I just don't want to swim like clear out into the middle of the cove, this whole area, to have to get the boat and then just be exhausted.
Yeah. Should be good right there. Perfect.
Actually, I might drop this down just a little, into it a little more. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Yeah, well, we just got to the first spot. There was some, I mean, I can only see its head, but you guys won't be able to see it right now. There's some sheep back up in there. If you guys check out the Instagram, link in the description, you guys will see some pictures of them. They'll probably be posted way before this video, though. But yeah, we're in the first cove. This cove is actually sexy. We came in here, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. The first time we went to go spearfishing, and ended up not being able to because the spear gun band broke. But we're back with 2 spear guns, and I think we'll get at least 1 fish out of this cove. I'll be shocked if we don't get 1 out of this cove. So let's shoot for a minimum of 1 out of this cove, and then back up in the back over in there, we're gonna go hit some. You can't see it right now just because we're in an island or a point right now. But when we go over there, hopefully we can pick up 1 or 2 more, and then we're gonna head a little more south and hit some like coves that I call them. They're pretty crystal clear. They're the clearest coves in the lake usually. They're really protected, and I'm not sure why. But yeah, they usually are really clear. So we'll hit those after these, and then we might cross over and spearfish the other side. We'll see. We'll see what time is looking like, what the fish are looking like, different stuff like that. But yeah. Hopefully the next clips are us getting into the water, getting after some fish. I have to take a poop.
All right, guys.
That's sick. Well, I looked up and I was like, I think that's a ram. And then I saw its horns glistening and I was like, oh.
Wait, which one's fire again? Left or right?
If it's to the left, it's on safety.
Okay. I'm just struggling to get it back. I got it. You scared him to me. You scared him right to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it'll work towards you.
Let's freaking go, guys. We got up on our first one. I think what had happened was Shandon moving on that side brought him right to me. I made my way towards the brush a little bit and I saw him kick out. He kicked up, came and slowed down because he saw some more shrubbery he thought he could hide in. And when he came across, I followed him just a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see it on the camera. I followed him just a little bit, took the shot, and you know, you could see clean shot right through the middle. Honestly, perfect. You couldn't have it any other way, but yeah, we got up on our first one, so we're gonna head back to the boat. Oh, some jumped way over out there.
Where?
Like way up near the surface.
Like up at the back?
Yeah.
I didn't go all the way to
We probably scared them out. They're probably over there. But I'm gonna take this one in, and
I'll go hit the back.
Shannon's gonna hit the back, and then we'll meet you up back guys up over there. Right through the middle. Honestly, perfect. You couldn't have it any other way, but yeah, we got up on our first one, so we're gonna head back to the boat. Oh, some jumped way over out there. So guys, I didn't have to go very far to find the boat because the boat has come to us. So that was very cool. I'm gonna go swim over to the boat. We're gonna toss him up over there, and we'll see you.
What the heck?
What?
How did the boat get there?
I just brought it over.
Oh.
No, I think it's
If I pick up you should grab me one.
Which one do you want?
Whatever one you get, just
I
grab me.
want to try the new one.
Okay, then I'll try the new one. If I catch a little bass, or a bass in general, we might cut a little chunk out of it.
Do some catfishing?
Yeah, just for like I'll cast it up into the cove we're gonna go up into just for like 5 minutes and see if we can't. And we'll just sit and wait.
Well, we could leave it out while we go spearfishing. If we set it opposite, do you have one?
I think so. Oh, monster. Mongo, bro. This cove always, this cove always produces mongos. No! That was the perfect bait fish, bro.
Oh,
that's okay. I could probably go back to back on bait fish right here.
The one you had was this smallmouth?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell.
If they're dark, almost always are they smallmouth.
Was it dark? I couldn't even see it.
It was like me and you. Like I'm like a largemouth and you're like a smallmouth.
Okay.
Make sure that's in the video.
Just to make sure that one is in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
That's top tier comedy. Okay, if there's not a small, at least a small bass off this cast. Big carp coming towards you.
Some of them are flying.
Am I recording?
Yeah, they're moving fast.
Here, you go to this point right here. Wyatt, go to this point and then come down this side. I'll go up to that point and come down this side.
Okay. There's at least 3 shad between us right now.
I just shot a big carp, but it pulled out.
Oh no.
Dude, it's missing a spot of scales. I'm wondering if it's one of the ones I shot last time. What?
I'm gonna go grab it. Hold this.
Take it with me.
It is, because it's still alive.
It's alive?
Barely, but it's the one you shot.
Ring him up, bro.
I have it.
Oh. No! Just throw him up on the shore.
I'm gonna take it to the boat. We're right here.
Okay.
Oh, Shandon. Shandon. There's a dead carp down here. You hold us like that? I'm gonna go grab it. Hold this. Dude, Shannon, it is because it's still alive. Barely, but it's the one you shot. I have it. I'm gonna take it to the boat. We're right here. Okay, y'all, so Shandon shot one earlier, which may or may not be in the video, I'm not sure, but he said, dude, I just shot it, it got off. I'm like, dang it, dude. A little while later, we're coming back, swimming over the top. I look down, I see one. I'm like, dude, is that a carp? I go down and look at it, has a hole in it. I know it's ours because she's still moving a little bit. Pull her up to the boat. Just put her in the live well. We're gonna get back out there, see if we can get some more. So far we're at 3. We'll catch you guys later in the video. There's like 8 coming your way, get ready. Babe! Wyatt! 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 Dude, I don't even know what it is. I don't know that I've seen a single one of these underwater other than this one. Is this what a tilapia is? There's no way.
Is it?
You speared a tilapia.
Is that what?
See. I would know if I saw it. Let me see. I can't see it.
You would know or wouldn't?
I would. Dude.
Is it?
It's huge if it is. I don't exactly know.
But even if it's a gizzard shad, that's like...
That's not a gizzard shad.
That's what I thought. The gizzard shad are shinier and pointier. Is
Well,
it a tilapia?
Dude, I didn't know they got that
It's
big.
not a bluegill. There's no way that's a bluegill.
No.
It has the same mark though. That's the only thing that threw me off. Right?
Dude.
It looks like a tilapia.
If it's a tilapia, that's like record like number. Like that's huge.
Oh, it's like, dude, it's like 4 pounds. I need to make sure I smash it. Well, dude, I was underneath, and
That's a nice kill. Do you have it on video? And we're rolling.
What's up, guys? So we think we might have gotten the state record for tilapia. I'm trying to look it up right now. I found it earlier and it was saying that it was 3 pounds 1 ounce, or 3 pounds 8 ounces, I think.
8.5.
3 pounds 8.5 ounces. I can't find it on their website, but I'm gonna call in and report it. Hopefully they'll let me do it, because like what we saw according to like AI basically is that the state record is 3 point whatever, like it's 8.5 ounces, 3 pounds 8.5 ounces, and this fish is, I believe, like 4 pounds 3 ounces, so it would shatter that record by quite a bit. So we're gonna pull the fish out, FaceTime someone that knows fish better than me, because I think it's a tilapia, but I'm not 100% sure, and we're gonna see what he says. The fish has some poop hanging out of it, but I mean, I really don't know what else that would be if it wasn't a tilapia. It's gotta be. So hopefully I got a good video of it with the shot, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna call into NDOW, Nevada Department of Wildlife, and we'll keep you guys on for that, and we're just gonna ask them if we can get it checked and stuff, so we'll see. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys. Okay, I just wanted to get your opinion on this. Lanny said you said you thought it was a tilapia. I just want to double check, make sure it's not like a carp.
No, it's a tilapia, all right. And I sent him a bunch of pictures, and then I checked on something else. In a canal in Arizona, somebody got the biggest one, the 10-pounder, and then they show some 7-pounders in other states, and on down.
Yeah.
So, you know, you definitely got a big one for Lake Mead, and I haven't seen any that big except for the first time I got them, which was about 20 years ago. Yeah.
Because the only thing I could find for Nevada was it said like the state record was 3 pounds 1 ounce back in like 1989 or 1992, something like that. But it was saying, but this fish we weighed it at 4 pounds 3 ounces.
I got set up for carp anyway. Okay. Did you see any others? Did you see any more?
Of the tilapia or?
Of the tilapia.
That's the only one I saw. It was.
Generally, you'll find them way back up at the very back of the coves, in about 2 feet of water. So sometimes they're out a little bit further. And also, I've seen them where they open up their mouth and little babies will come out of their mouth and go back in this time of year. And they open up their mouth and all the babies rush in there, and I shot one, and all the babies they ran out of the mouth and they were on their own after that. I brought them home, they ate them. But anyway, good luck to them. And sometimes they're really black too. I've seen them black, but only sighted of my hand, the black ones. Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you. See ya.
Bye.
My grandpa called NDOW. They don't have an official recognition for tilapia, and it wasn't caught with rod and reel. Wouldn't hustle home for that. She said to take a pic with it on a scale in the boat, but I'd keep it to yourself at this point. I think you're okay, just to be sure. You got Jeff all excited. He said to bring him back to the carp so he can put them in his garden. He said closest certified scale is Willow Beach, and that's like an hour or so away. So I'll just hop up on the boat. We'll get a picture with the lake in the background on the scale, and I'll just email it into NDOW. For now, I'm calling it a state record because I haven't seen. I mean, he said, I don't know. I haven't seen all of the videos I've seen of people shooting them with bows. They're all about 2.5, 3 pounds. I've not seen a single one that big. I mean, that is like, that fish is wider than me. Like, that's how heavy it is. We're gonna get it weighed. We'll weigh it with 2 different scales probably. And I mean, we'll keep recording that. All right, there it is. Zeroed out. Hopefully the camera catches that. Do you want to just record it? Okay, are you recording? All right, scale is zeroed out. Gonna go ahead, clamp on. What is it at?
0 pounds, 4 ounces.
You're joking. Okay, restart it. For the scale to break.
Yeah, it would be.
So we weren't recording the first time I went, were we?
Nope.
Alright, start recording again. Alright, 0 pounds, 0 ounces. We're gonna let her down.
4-1.
4 pounds, 1 ounce. Alright, sweet. Want to hop up on the boat now and get just a picture?
Yeah. Come on. The lighting you can't see, but there you go. 4-1. And you can tell clearly in this picture 4-1.
Can you see the boat at all?
Yeah.
If you can see the lake and stuff in the background.
You can see the lake. You can tell that we're at the lake. Here, come and take one like this, so you can see the bass boat and the lake behind you. I just don't know if you can read 4-1. Let me see. Yeah, good there. Good there.
Sick. Well, I don't see any reason for us to put the boat, relaunch the boat. Because by the time we relaunch and stuff, the only thing we could do is chase bass and stripers.
No, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm good. Today was a good day. I'm good.
My body's exhausted.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I'm thinking we get...
I got work tomorrow.
I'm thinking we get everything...
Out of the boat, clean up.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Dude, I don't know. I really do feel like there's... Because I know exactly what video he's talking about. I'm 90% sure it's that one of Sin City Outdoors.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, and I've seen the same video because I was trying to see how to get them, and I was like, oh, bowfish them. And there were some nice ones, but there was nothing even close to 5 pounds like he said.
I don't know. I do not know.
I'm still calling it a state record until someone like verifies that it isn't though.
Apparently everyone that comes in right after us is on crack cocaine. I don't know.
We're calling NDOW right now, Nevada Department of Wildlife. And we're gonna see what they tell us. Hopefully that didn't pick up my fart.
Department of Wildlife, this is Patricia.
Hi, I was calling with kind of a weird question, or I'm calling with kind of a weird question.
Okay.
So I just shot, like, I was down spearfishing and shot a super nice tilapia. And so I was wondering if there was any, like, state record that they did for tilapia or anything like that.
Unfortunately, tilapia is an invasive species. It should not actually be at the lake, so there will be no records found for tilapia.
Oh, gotcha. All right.
Yeah,
Well,
so so you can't, even if it's still alive, you can't throw it back. You do have to kill the fish and keep it. There is no limit on them, so you can have as many as you want. So once tilapia is caught, you have to kill it and keep it.
awesome. Sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. Well, that's even a different answer than my grandpa got, bro. They can't get their answers straight.
Well, let's go kill as many Eurasian dove and as many tilapia as we can.
Real. And then we'll just drop them off at their doorstep, NDOW's doorstep. And I'll be like, this is me protesting you not letting me get a state record.
You guys don't have a state record for this.
See, because this says, Nevada, the current state record for tilapia is 3 pounds 10 ounces, caught by angler William A. Gaps in 2022 at Lake Mead.
Well, let's just put on our website
So.
that we caught the new state record.
Our website?
Yeah, when we make one.
We have
New
one.
Our other one's buns.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys, cause like I'm calling it a state record.
Oh, Shannon, look at this.
Huge boil down there. Got out of the water with. I'm calling it a state record. I don't care.
I'd say so.
We're running it.
Well, they don't recognize it, but we also caught the biggest one that anywhere online says. So.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing.
And let alone that's the biggest tilapia I've ever seen in my entire life. So.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, yeah. I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen anything bigger. We're calling it a state record till someone calls our BS and is like, look at this. This is way bigger. Here's this picture of it on a scale. I've never seen, like, I've watched tilapia bow fishing videos. I've never seen anyone spearfish Lake Mead on YouTube, so I haven't seen that necessarily. But I've never seen anyone with a tilapia, like, because I got it and I thought that's what it was, but I wasn't sure. But it was so big that I was like, it's got to be a carp or of some sort. But it was huge. And so, like, I was like, it looks like a tilapia. It's just way too big. So I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna head in and we'll drop this carp off to my grandpa's buddy and head in. I guess we'll just eat it. We have a video and a picture of it. So I don't know. I'll probably still email it in to Endow just because the person that my grandpa called said to do that. So we'll send that in. I don't know. I think it's stupid. I'm pretty sure they keep track of a state record striper, and that's invasive. So I don't know. That's stupid, guys. Some might say homosexual. So we can put that in the video. How? That is okay.
I'm not putting that in the video.
Dude, don't be gay. Put that in the video.
That's not going in the video.
Bro.
You get us canceled.
Are those fish still boiling? Because they do stink. That's why I don't have a state record right now, and I should. Shout out the Beck's hat. Sponsored, not really. Wish. But yeah. Flip, bro. That's pissing me off. I'm actually so sad.
Just get on it then. Catch you guys soon.